Hello kids, today we're talking about constellations. Constellations are patterns of stars in the sky and have been used for many different purposes around the world as calendars, navigation devices, and foundations of mythology and religions. Today I'm going to make the Big Dipper, also known as the Plow, which is also part of Ursa Major. For the Big Dipper, you're going to need 7 beads, some toothpicks, a sheet of paper. I'm using blue, it's like the evening sky, a pen, and some white glue. First, I'm going to look at my experiment book and pick a constellation. You can do any of these here. I like the Big Dipper, so I'm going to do that one there. And then I'm going to get my paper and pen out. I'm going to draw dots on the paper which represent where the stars are. Next, you're going to draw a line between each star to make the pattern of your constellation. For the next step, make sure that you have all your beads picked out. You're going to take your glue, open it up, and you're going to put a spot of glue onto each dot that you made for the stars. We're going to take a bead and put one down onto each star dot of glue. Next, we're going to carefully glue down the toothpicks on the lines. You want to put a little bit of glue onto each line. If the toothpick is too long to fit on your spot, you're going to have to break off some of it to the right length. And if they're not long enough, you might need to use 2 or 1.5 or parts of both to make the right length of line. And there you have the Big Dipper.